Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today here in Arkansas it's been really cold. We've been stuck inside all day. What are some things you do when you're stuck inside? Here are some things that we do when we're stuck inside. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications and share this video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Family Resume. Like Aria said, it's a cold and rainy day here in Arkansas, so we're going to do a few videos about what we like to do when we're stuck inside. This is a ping pong 21 game. So the object of the game is to bounce the ping pong ball on the floor. The top basket is 1 point, the second is 2 points, and the bottom is 3 points. The first one to get to 21 wins.
Show me which one's the 3 point.
No, the bottom one, the very bottom one.
All right, here we go.
No, the purple one.
All right, here we go. Cannon's up first. Stand.
Well,
All right, 2 points. Three. All right, Cannon's up to 4 points. Let's see what Aria can do. Two. Aria's got 2 points.
It literally like bounced.
All right, go Cannon, your turn. One more point.
Yeah, 5 points.
Here we go. Aria's up.
One point.
Now I'm up at 3 points.
Okay.
Oh, so close.
1.
You're at 6 and I'm at 3.
I'm
You're better at this than...
Yeah. Because I would rather see the lot for ping pong. 30 points?
Okay, wait, leave it in there. Leave it in there so I know. Can't leave it. So I know.
So 30 points. So how many do you get? 6. So 3 and 3 makes 6.
So we're tied. We both have 6.
Okay.
Get that one.
Oh, those are so close. Oh, that was so close.
I
No point.
literally hit the problem one
Okay.
like 10 times. Like crazy. Okay, you have one. 0 points. I thought that was gonna bounce back in.
Big fat donut.
You are a
I got a donut.
All right, Cannon, what are we gonna get? Ooh, look at that. Oh, so close.
All right, 2 points. 3. All right, Cannon's up to 4 points. Let's see what Aria can do. Two. All right, go Cannon, your turn. Here we go. Aria's up. Okay.
Oh, so close.
30 points?
Okay, wait, leave it in there. Leave it in there so I know. Can't leave it. So I know.
Go. Oh, so close, Cannon. All right, good job.
How many do I get?
All right.
Let's get it in the cage.
Bing,
All right,
bing,
2
bing.
points for Cannon.
2 points.
Get back here. I know I always want to get this. But 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, Aria, those are close.
I don't think the ball is like me.
11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14.
Go
I
there.
got 14 balls.
Aria. Ooh, good job. Oh, close. So close.
Okay.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, those are so close. Oh, that was so close.
Wait, hurry, Z. Okay, you got 9. 0 points. I thought that was gonna bounce.
All right, Cannon, where are we going to get? Ooh, look at that. Oh, so close. Oh, so close again. Oh, my goodness.
I almost got double, triple,
You are at 12 points. Cannon.
Oh, my goodness.
It hit literally when it hit through. Hey, right here. Come here. Let's get it in the cage.
All right, 2 points. Oh, Aria, that was so close.
Great.
I can't make any. I'm trying to make it in the bottom.
You ready, Mom?
Mm-hmm. All right.
This splits aren't helping.
Oh. All right, good job.
Oh, Alan. It just wants to. Hey.
All right,
Wow,
there you go,
that was-
sis.
That actually was.
Wait. No. One for Cannon.
Oh, close. Oh my goodness.
Come on. Got one.
All right, there you go, sis. All right. Look.
1 for Cannon.
Oh, close. Oh my goodness.
What? How many do I have?
18.
Oh yeah. Come on. Got one.
All right, there you go,
How
sis.
many did you got? How many did Sissy got?
12. You have 18, I have 12. Oops, sorry.
I'm actually good at this.
All right, look at that.
That's a you.
Count 'em up.
Okay, wait, hold on.
One.
Okay, well, Aria's got 1 more shot to go.
One more shot to
Hold on, I think wait. So, hold on, stop.
Looks like Cannon was the big winner of the game.
No, Sissy has to go.
No,
first.
Well,
you have 21.
You
I have
won,
12.
bud.
No, Mom, you said Sissy has to go.
But you
first.
won. 3.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below what you like to do when you're stuck inside. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and share this video.